Hello students, we'll be having a contemporary menu today. In the contemporary menu, we'll be having Consome Indian. Consome Indian is a soup which is prepared with chicken bones. Consome is a clear soup which is first made with chicken bones and mirpua. It has flavoring ingredients such as carrots, onions, herbs and parsley. So after cooking the bones, we strain the soup and then we garnish it. In Consome Indian, we garnish it with Indian vegetables, Indian summer vegetables and Indian masalas. In main course, we have poulet sauté sashir. Poulet sauté sashir is a hunter's chicken. So when it was a gaming season, hunters used to go, the royals used to go for hunting and they used to get the meat from there and they used to cook the sauce with whatever ingredients were available. So the sauce consists of a valute, chicken valute, which is finished with mushrooms and pipped tomatoes. To accompany it with is stuffed tomatoes. Tomatoes are, the inner part is taken out and it is stuffed with homemade mayonnaise, carrots and potatoes inside it. And we have Duchess potatoes as the starch accompaniment. We boil the potatoes, we mash them with egg yolk and butter. We season it with mixed herbs and salt, pepper. We pipe them in a bag and we bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until it is golden brown on top. And in dessert, we have a strawberry souffle. Souffle is whipped egg whites which are whipped with cream of tartar and sugar to a stiff peak, and then we add strawberries which are pureed, first cooked and then pureed, and then we mix it, we put it in a ramekin mold and then we bake it till it leavens.
So students, potatoes are being boiled at one side for our starch accompaniment. We have marinated chicken legs. Now after the boiled potatoes, we have mashed them, we have added butter, one egg yolk to it, and we have mixed them nicely till it is soft and creamy. After getting it soft and creamy, we have added seasoning to it and we have mixed salt, pepper and mixed herbs in it for Duchess potatoes. We will keep it in a piping bag and then we will pipe it. At one side, our stock for Consome Indian is being made. This is egg white. We have beaten it till stiff peak for our dessert. Now we will heat a little butter. We will add mushrooms to it, onions to it for the sashir sauce. After getting translucent, the onions and mushrooms, we'll add salt, pepper, mixed herbs and add the chicken stock that we have made. Once the mushrooms are added, we will make them sweat a little bit. The water will come out and then we will add the stock. Once the stock is added, we will heat it up till it thickens and we'll keep it aside. We will now sear the marinated chicken for the poulet sauté sashir. We'll keep the skin side first as it will brown first, and then we will turn it and let it cook. It will take around about 10 to 12 minutes to cook as it is chicken leg piece. And now we will add the pipped tomatoes to the pan so that the moisture will be used for cooking the chicken to a succulent stage. We'll add the sashir sauce to it, we'll turn it from time to time and we'll cook it till the chicken is well done. We have to make sure that the chicken is cooked thoroughly. We will put some chopped parsley on top and we'll finish it. Now we are piping the Duchess potatoes. We should make sure that no potato lumps are included in this. So we have to pipe it and bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now for strawberry souffle, the stiffly beaten egg whites, we add the strawberry crush to it, fresh strawberry crush. We put it in a mold and we bake it. This is for the stuffed tomatoes. We take carrots and onions. We add cream, cheese, mayonnaise sauce to it, homemade mayonnaise. We add chopped parsley to it and we stuff them in tomatoes. So these are to the two accompaniments for the main course, poulet sauté sashir, the Duchess potatoes and the stuffed tomatoes. So this is the final plating of the same.